Hello everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to do Discord color text. So let's begin. First, you can do different kinds of colors in Discord. Now, for example, I want to do red. Just click this, whatever I have typed. You need to start with a div and end with. Here we go, we have red. Now you need to do orange. Start with CSS. Type in bracket. Here we go, we have the another color. Next you need to do is, here we go, without the bracket. Next, without the color. We can do different, like light blue, dark blue. Here we go. So I hope you understood this and you can now send text colors to your friends. Thank you so much for watching.